This is my Deck the Hall Chronicle, meant for memories of Christmas present and Christmas past. This is measures 9 by 6. It is a custom cover. I created a faux leather look on this cover. It does have some raised imaging, and it has a rounded spine. I used metal corners and a lace and hitch post fastener. I have a couple of little charms, a heart and a Christmas tree, and a little wassail mug. So this album, this chronicle, this journal, was made with a little vintage and whimsical look, so we're just going to have a quick peek through the album. I've used book pages and notebook pages, and some of the papers are designer papers from various collections. All of the envelopes are functioning envelopes, and lots of room for all kinds of Christmas memories in this book. I wanted to create this book to have a real warm feel for what happens this year and what happened last year and many years ago. I find that when I search my Christmas pictures, I find that there are images of things that we're doing today that I remember my mom and dad did with us, and those pictures that are quite similar in nature from years gone by. And I thought this album or this journal would be quite suitable for those kinds of things. Functional cabinet cards for pictures in this journal. And I think I love these vintage little cabinet cards, and lots of room for journaling. I tried to put a little interest on each page, lots of fussy cutting for a vintage look. I did not use any coffee dyed or tea dyed pages in this book. Again, here's a little different look on the cabinet card for photos or whatever you choose. I love these images. I don't remember where I got any of these images. I don't remember where I got the digital downloads either. Another one of those cabinet cards, functional cabinet cards. A little flip up. And I left lots of blank spaces for notes and that sort of thing. Each one of these envelopes has something special in it. This little dangles here, little snowflake dangles. Little book. I actually made this out of a Christmas card that I thought the front was pretty cool looking, and so I cut the front off and I added this little sparkly piece. I think this is some graphic 45 paper. And here's another little booklet that I made, more little dangles, and this again was the front of a Christmas card that I used to make this little booklet. There's some blank pages in it. And lots of laces and journal cards. Another one of those functional cabinet cards. And here's an envelope with a little journaling card in it. And there's a piece of acetate, some stenciling, cute little punch corners on that one. A little whimsical tree. I think I cut that from a Christmas, fussy cut that from a Christmas card also. I think that's where I got that too. The children the stockings are hung by the chimney with care, in hope that St. Nicholas soon would be there. Again, another tuck spot, a little stenciling, page from a Christmas book. Here's another envelope with a journaling card inside, ready for pictures or whatever. And another piece of acetate with a stenciled journaling card. And I thought he was cute. He was on the front of a Christmas card, so I decided to make a tag out of him. Very cute little guy. And she was on a Christmas card, and I loved her, so I cut her out. And we have, and I used her because I thought she was just adorable. And this was, I don't know where this was some designer paper, but I don't know what brand it was. And another piece of acetate for tuck spot laces with cute little gingerbread guy, stenciling. Ho, 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 jingle bells. This was the front of a card also, and I made a kind of a cabinet card out of it because I thought it was just really pretty. And I can't remember what was, maybe I used the underneath part in another way, but I made a cabinet card out of that. Another tuck spot, ornaments, another acetate piece. Lots and lots of room for journaling or pictures. Look, isn't he cute? Now, he was on the card and I had to use him. Another tuck spot. This is an image. This is not really tea-dyed or coffee-dyed paper. Another little tuck spot. Little Santa. This has a cute little Santa image in it. And these are journaling cards tucked on the inside of this envelope. Another little Santa relaxing there, a little bit of stenciling. And this is a little coin envelope, a little journaling card inside. And the closure is this cute little snowflake. And it opens up like that. I just hope this little album finds a forever home. I certainly enjoyed making these chronicles. Thank you for watching.